Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add your Behance link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your creative portfolio directly on your professional network, making it easier for potential clients or employers to view your work. So let's jump right in. First, head over to your Behance account and click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your personal Behance profile where all your creative projects and portfolio pieces are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top of your browser where the URL bar is located. Go ahead and copy that entire URL from the address bar. This link is what you'll be adding to your LinkedIn profile, so make sure you've copied the complete web address, including the https://behance.net/ and your username. Now open LinkedIn in a new tab or window. Once you're on LinkedIn, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or name. This will take you to your main LinkedIn profile page where all your professional information is displayed. On your profile page, you'll notice a small pencil icon near the top of your profile section. Click on this pencil icon to start editing your profile information. This icon is the gateway to customizing various aspects of your LinkedIn presence. After clicking the pencil icon, you'll need to scroll down through the editing options until you find the section labeled Edit Contact Info. Click on this option to access your contact information settings where you can add various ways for people to reach you or view your work. Within the contact info section, look for an option that says Add Website. Click on this button to create a new website field where you can input your Behance portfolio link. LinkedIn allows you to add multiple websites, which is perfect for showcasing different aspects of your professional presence. A new field will appear labeled Website URL. Click into this field and paste the Behance URL you copied earlier from your profile page. Make sure the entire link is pasted correctly with no extra spaces or missing characters. Once you've pasted your Behance link, click the Save button to apply these changes to your profile. LinkedIn will process this update and add your Behance portfolio link to your contact information section. And there you go, your Behance portfolio is now linked directly on your LinkedIn profile, making it simple for anyone viewing your professional profile to check out your creative work. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.